Hello guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we'll be discussing about evaluate verb. So evaluate verb we used to remove the nested if usage in the COBOL program. For example, in the last video, we have discussed if conditions inside the if. So we can eliminate that with the using of this evaluate verb. So evaluate verb is a replacement of series of if-else statement, and it can be used to evaluate more than one condition. It is similar to switch statement in C program. If multiple conditions need to be checked, we have to use evaluate, which is better than if else. Using single evaluate condition, we can use the multiple conditions. So it came into picture because nested if statements can be messy. Hence, it's use of if else statement. So let's see the example and go to the mainframe screen. So I already written a COBOL program for the evaluate. So this is the program we have for evaluate statements. So here what we are doing, we are first declaring a WSNum under the working storage section, and value we are assigning 0. And under the procedure division, what we are doing, we are checking the value of this WSNum1, we are evaluating. Evaluate WSNum. When WSNum is greater than 0, so we are writing displaying WSNum1 is greater. And if WSNum is less than 0, then we are displaying less. And when other, display invalid value. So instead of writing these condition in if else statements, we have write evaluate, which is a modern COBOL verb. So this way we can eliminate the if else conditions, and we can use evaluate statements to do that. So that's it about this lecture, guys. We'll meet in the next one. Thank you.